Okay, you see the brackets are hung, I want to say by the chimney with care, but no, on the windowsill with, I don't know what. Anyway, you see the brackets are up there. Top is on the top, bottom's on the bottom, and I'm going to try to do this with my hand holding the phone and actually putting the cassette up there, but this could be very interesting. So you'll have to enjoy the views of my climbing a stair, and also the views of my carpet and shoes and everything else you can see here. And the elliptical. Okay, the cassette itself. The cassette itself just fits in here, and you'll notice they want you in the instructions to keep, and as it says, remove tape after installation. That keeps the blind in there, and just in case it came undone. So we've already fixed this because it did come undone in shipping, but I'm going to show sliding if I can do this. There we go. Okay, the thing is with this, and I'll have to put this down, you want to tilt it in, and there's a little groove there that you want the top to go in first, and then you snap in the bottom into the bottom groove. You can see I've got it just prepped to do that. I'm not going to be able to snap this and hold the phone, so see you later.